Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another shopping day with IKEA. I don't know why बहुत ज़्यादा fascinated मैं होती हूँ जब भी मैं IKEA आती हूँ. So as you guys have seen in the earlier vlog, we moved from one condo to another condo. So there are some shifting things, like you need some extra space things. So that's the reason we are here in IKEA. And IKEA तो हमेशा ही one-stop solution for all your needs. So that's the reason we are here and we are going inside. It's so sunny right now. It's 22 degrees Celsius today, but it feels like 30 types. I don't know, ज़्यादा भी sun हमारे को वो overwhelm हो जाता है. So anyway, we are going inside and let me show you what are the new things in IKEA for this summer 2025. So guys, we are finally inside IKEA and एक बहुत ही important चीज़ है जो मैं पिछले 15 days से neglect कर रही हूँ. Basically, I'm searching that. I think you have seen in my Costco vlog as well. जब भी आपका non-stick pan में कोई भी scratch हो ना, just scrap it because it's not good for health. So I don't know, मुझे एक omelette pan चाहिए. I'm sure.
Small one.
Oh, it's perfect for one omelette.
This is good, right? This is too big.
Imran, are you sure ये omelette एक ही बनेगा?
Yeah, this is good. 1 or 2 max 2.
I think this is good. Just one omelette and that. पर इसमें दो बनेंगे ना एक साथ. So it saves me time.
Next to 4.
पर हमें तो दो बनाने होते हैं ना. It saves me time. So let's see. This one ना? Yeah. Finally I got that pan which I was struggling and struggling.
Let's go for a couple of stuff.
Yes. So we are taking this one. पता नहीं क्यों मैं बहुत ज़्यादा obsessed हो जाती हूँ when I get these new dinner sets.
This one?
हाँ?
Green one.
Green वाला भी अच्छा है यार.
Yeah, hold on.
I don't know, क्रॉकरी ऑब्सेशन हो गया मुझे मेरी मम्मा की तरह. ये क्या है इमरान? आई थिंक सर्विंग प्लेटर. बट इसका ये कलर इतना अच्छा नहीं है. सो आई डोंट नो, ग्रे इज़ नॉट गुड इनफ. ये नया इनका कोई है. आई डोंट नो इट लुक्स गुड और नो. मास्टर शेफ़ में उनको वो प्रेजेंटेशन करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. ऑलरेडी देयर आर सम स्पॉट्स. They have really, and this is the most reasonable section. 99 cents. Can you imagine? 99 cents mein you get whatever you want per piece. So right now we are in the bed sheet section, which was completely not in the list, but we are ending up buying them. क्योंकि ऐसा होता है, जो चीज़ आपकी लिस्ट में होती है ना वो आप कभी भी नहीं लेते हो, और जो चीज़ें नहीं होती है ना वो आप पहले लेते हो. So this is my problem. Let me know if you guys also have the same problem. So we are deciding two of them. I really like this one. I don't know how to show it. This one.
They have eggs.
So I don't know it's eggs or it's flour.
No,
I'm
it's
considering it as a flour base. But इमरान को लग रहा है ये कुछ omelette shape के है कुछ सब जगह से जो भी है.
And this is plain for you.
And Imran is liking this one, which is pretty decent, but plain. It's just the blue and white stripes. But मुझे ये वाला बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है because I cannot go with simple things in life. I want something different. So I'm just going with this. And Imran wants this. Maybe we'll end up buying two of them. No. We'll buy only one. Maybe this one.
That's the side.
Let me show you from the back camera. Basically, यहाँ पे ये लोग मतलब IKEA में you have one good option. Whatever you buy, you have a display. So let me show you from the back camera. So this is one option जो इमरान को बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, and it's very soft, very soft. And this is how it looks, bed sheet and all that. And ये इमरान की चॉइस है. And this is what I like. I don't know why, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये, because this is little funky. So this is the, ये क्या है इमरान इसका? Pillow. Okay, this is the pillow. And ये इन्होंने पता नहीं क्यों बंद करके रखा है. And this is how it looks on the other side. इमरान ये भी है इसके अंदर, और this is something separate.
Pillowcase.
और this is the pillowcase. But इसमें सिर्फ ये दो है options और क्यूल्ट का ऊपर वाला, right?
Let's do this one.
So I'll go with this one, or you have to go with that one. This one. So this, are you sure? Let's take this one. You always get overwhelmed with the washroom section here at IKEA because they have so many different concepts. And it, where? Oh god, this is so good. But ये washroom में ये सब क्या है इमरान? Oh, with the like all the
Closet.
other things, yeah. This is a dream washroom
What
where you have all your skincare and everything segregated. This looks good, right? अच्छा लग रहा है ये.
But I like this one. Because you
Which one?
this mirror is good, right?
हाँ,
The golden one.
मुझे भी सर्कल मिरर अच्छे लगते हैं इमरान. घर पे भी यही है ना
This
हमें.
is good for the golden one.
एंड दिल्ली में भी इट्स लाइक दैट सेम कॉन्सेप्ट बट इतना बड़ा नहीं है आई बिलीव थोड़ा छोटा है
But they
बट
have
दिस
frame.
इज सो गुड एंड मुझे गोल्डन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है
Dubai feelings, huh?
दिस गिव्स यू सो गुड फीलिंग गोल्डन ओवर वाइट इन्होंने तो स्किन केयर भी यहाँ पे रखा है सो दैट यू गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ हाउ थिंग्स आर सेग्रीगेटेड
is, I think, locked.
oh it's locked but this is so good all the oh this concept is also good Imran है ना ये वाला concept is so good
This is black thing.
this is like the minimalistic things
Black thing.
ये वाला basic लग रहा है ना let's check something over there this gives you that pink वाला washroom feeling girly washroom right Imran what are you
Board. White
but
board.
क्यों
Ideation के लिए right?
vision board
Yeah, vision board.
so लेना है कौन
This
सा
is
वाला
good. But this is blank. ये मुझे I think hang करना पड़ेगा.
ये वाइटिश है
This is pure
इसमें मार्कर से लिखना पड़ेगा और इसमें विद द चॉक आई थिंक दिस वन इज गुड इफ यू वांट
This is memo board. What
डू यू रियली वांट इट लेना है या नहीं वैसे ही देख रहे हो तुम
I need one.
मुझे ना वो चाहिए इमरान जो वो होता है ना
What?
दिस इज़ नॉट अ स्टोरेज इट्स अ मेमो बोर्ड टाइप्स जिसमें आप अपना हैंग कर सकते हो सब
Oh,
कुछ जैसे
this
इसने
thing.
किया है देखो दिस आई वांट टू क्रिएट सम डे लाइक दिस ऑल द एक्सेसरीज एंड ऑल मे बी सम डे सो नाउ कम्स माई फेवरेट सेक्शन अभी तक जहाँ पे भी हम जा रहे थे इट वॉज इमरान्स फेवरेट एंड नाउ इट कम्स माई फेवरेट सेक्शन विच इज़ the lights section. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with lights. No matter how many lights I buy, and different forms में मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है lights घर पे like you know the warm lights जितने भी warm tone lights होती है not the white lights. So in IKEA you get so many options and every time I come I get obsessed with a new one and Imran is so mad at me so let's see will Imran allow me for a new light today or no. Imran, can we get a new light?
New light.
Yeah.
See, buy this one.
Which one?
This lamp for you. This one.
No, Imran. I don't have to study.
So let's go for this one, the big ones.
The lights here are an obsession. I don't know. The people coming to IKEA can relate. जिनको भी lights का obsession होगा. They have such a cute stuff. So all the lightings here are really cute. Just look at that.
I have a gift for you.
Everything is so light. They're so good lamps. And all the varieties and
Pendant lamp.
wow, ये कितना अच्छा है ना? It's like that tubes.
It makes sounds. Huh?
That's for one. Oh, this is really nice.
This is good. The black one.
Yeah, the black one. Everything is good here. I just like this also. This one. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. ये वो नहीं होते जैसे वो मूवीज में फिर उनके स्टार्स के ऊपर गिरते जो सेलिब्रिटीज होते.
More into royal.
It's like that, yeah. Now we are taking a quick stop because I am so hungry.
Yeah, let's
and
go
I
for
need
food.
to rest also, right, Imran?
Yeah.
So let's eat something. And you guys know in IKEA, Imran is very fascinated for IKEA's that छोटी चीजें जो food की होती है. So let's eat something first before we go to the second floor because अभी हमने सिर्फ first floor cover किया है.
This is just for this one.
It's what? It's like the Ferrero Rocher type cake.
Kind
है?
of. This is the chocolate. Your
Okay, let's
vodka.
try something new. Imran, what is?
Coleslaw.
Oh my God! अब ये
From
coleslaw from Sweden. Okay, let's get the coffee.
This is your chocolate.
So Imran, where to get it? यहाँ पे?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, first we have to place the cup. So I'll go with the cappuccino.
Yeah, fast है.
या कैपुचिनो वाला है ये, है ना ऑप्शन?
That's it.
आई डोंट नो, पर इन्होंने हाफ कप
No,
क्यों
no,
दी?
I'm not-
द कॉफी इज कमिंग नाउ. कॉफ़ी तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है ना. दिस इज़ माई काइंड ऑफ कॉफ़ी, कैपुचिनो
They have a
टाइप.
time here.
सो कॉफ़ी इज़ डन. इमरान जगह ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. Let's go. I'm so relaxed. बैठ के ना legs में
Now
इतना
focus
पेन हो
on
रहा है ना.
French fries.
And you know what? There are specific places जिनकी French fries are so good. Costco is one of
Costco is
them,
good,
and IKEA is one of them as well. They have that crispy वाली वो fries, so you get the best fries in Costco and in IKEA. Although not healthy, but sometimes it's okay, right?
One time, once in a weekend.
And their coffee is amazing. And this
This is
coffee,
specialty one.
yeah, it's the specialty coffee, and it's just for $2, right? You're getting $2 में cappuccino. What else you want in life? So let's taste the coffee. This is exactly my kind of coffee. Very strong, like not that strong, but good strong, no sugar. So let me focus on the food right now because I'm so hungry.
I'm also
and
hungry.
see you after another 15 minutes. Do you see the sofa at the background? ये वही सोफ़ा है जिसके ऊपर इतना बड़ा डिस्कशन हुआ था लास्ट 1 year
Not this
पहले.
last year.
एक साल पहले सेम
Exact last
अराउंड ऐसे ही मंथ था इमरान.
Yeah, summer.
Around May-ish ही था. And we had a big discussion on it, and me and Imran was totally opposite of this, and I
Because
was
of this
like,
is low profile.
yeah, because बहुत अब तो मुझे सच में
This
बहुत
is
नीचे लग
more
रहा
below.
है. So and ये अभी भी यहीं पे ये सोफ़ा है. Obviously they have the fixed pattern, right?
Yeah, kind of.
And अब तो मुझे actually में ये बहुत low लग रहा है
But we
इमरान.
got something from a different store, right?
Yeah, we got it from Leon's, but अभी के लिए तो बहुत low लग रहा है. So I think Imran, thank
So
you.
my decision is good.
Imran का decision was right with the sofa. Thankfully we didn't bought this because it's very
It's very low profile.
It's
that's
yeah, it's like ऐसे बिल्कुल ही आप नीचे अंदर ही जा रहे हो, है ना? So I'll show you from the back camera. You can see like this, but let me show you. So this is the
How low
sofa.
is this?
Yeah, it's very low. It's like ground पे ही बैठे हो, थोड़ा सा uplifted हो. But I don't know why I liked it. And इसके साथ ये side वाला भी था, where you
They
can
all are
just
low.
yeah, they all are low profiles. Yeah, but the living room concept is really good. It's little messed up, but it's good.
More messed up.
Yeah. So finally guys, done with the IKEA. I was not able to record with the second one, like the second floor जिस पे हम गए थे, because I got occupied with some stuff, measurement and all करके हमें कुछ देखना था. So anyway, we left from IKEA and now अभी हम Vaughan Mills जा रहे हैं because we are in Vaughan, so why not Vaughan Mills? So nothing specific. We'll just go there into specific 1 or 2 stores and leave, and that's it. We'll call it a day because we are super exhausted. I don't know why मुझे लगता है IKEA में हमारे 10,000 plus steps हो गए होंगे. Everyone who is coming to IKEA 10,000 to 15,000 steps तो होते ही होंगे उनके पूरे, because you roam every single place there. So we are off to Vaughan Mills and it's still a good sunny time. It's 6 PM right now, but अभी भी sunny है. So we are finally in H&M and you can see Imran already. He's very sleepy. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है इमरान हमेशा ही है इमरान का. Whenever it's my shopping time, he acts like that. And the lineup in H&M is crazy. But trust me, मुझे ये Vaughan Mills वाला H&M बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
As compared to the other H&Ms, they have hell lot of options and their collection is also new. So I got some stuff.
But they are super crowded.
They're crowded, yeah, because it's Saturday, right? What can we expect on a Saturday? But I got some of my stuff. Now we are waiting badly. Lineup itna zyada hai, and we are just waiting. I got some jewelry as well. I got their new collection. I'm still not decided with them, so मैंने options ले रखे हैं. Imran?
Let's see.
Imran is also holding my stuff. Don't judge Imran with his shopping.
This is not my stuff.
This is also mine. So let's just quickly. I know Imran is very sleepy. I don't know why. And let's just quickly try on the things. Just look at the whole crowd. This place is completely packed. Just look at the crowd. Everything has a waiting. Anyway, we are leaving now. We're done with the shopping and it's 8:30 p.m. right now, and we have to figure out dinner as well. And I have zero energy to
We'll
cook.
see.
Energy भी नहीं, मन भी zero है, energy भी zero है. It's like I wanna go somewhere and मुझे कोई food दे के this is what you wanna eat.
This
That's
is
it.
the dinner.
So you can see अभी भी कनाडा में 8:30 p.m. हो चुके हैं, but still it's sunny.
Because of summer.
And because of summers and even यहाँ पे 9:30 को भी इमरान होता है ना सनसेट जून जुलाई में. So the weather is so good and everyone is out. Oh my god, I'm so done and exhausted for the day. I thought let me just give a quick extra of the entire video. Anyway, the update is that we got the dinner from outside क्योंकि मैंने बताया था I have zero energy to cook and energy से ज़्यादा important मन भी नहीं था. So I got the pizza from the nearest plaza हमारे घर के जो बिल्कुल opposite है. And the best part about this pizza is like कोई specific locations है pizza की where they have halal chicken toppings. So this one has halal chicken toppings and but the only drawback is you have to go to the store. अगर आप online order कर रहे हो you cannot get the halal toppings option. So that's the only drawback, but it's okay. At least you get halal toppings wala pizza. So anyway, we got the pizza and we got some jalapeno bombers, which is Imran's super duper favorite. And let's call it a day. And I hope you do like this video. I'm fumbling because I'm hungry and I'm so tired for the day. Hope you like this video and see you in the next vlog. And there's one more video that's coming up, so stay tuned for that. And bye. Subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment down below for how you like the video. Bye bye.